Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, Trading Technicals. Now today I have come up with something for you, the people who generally follow the volumes when they're doing analysis. And basically on a price action itself, we can do lots of things wherein we do not need any indicators to follow or any kind of things to follow. We can just follow the price action, simple price action, wait for the right opportunities, and take that trade, a profitable trade, right? So today I'll explain you how a simple volume analysis can help us. Okay, I'm trying to make it very simple. Okay, there are many things which we can still learn if people are interested. I can definitely get into those things in a details. However, how do I kind of make life simple for the people is something which I wanted to give you. Okay, so just a simple thing, friends. Just go and find out. Excuse me, guys. So what we will do is we are just getting into 15 minutes chart. Okay, you take 15 minutes, you take 5 minutes. Okay, it does not really matter. What we are trying to do is basically we are trying to find out a candle, okay, which had maximum volume on the earlier day. Okay, that would be our critical candle, and that candle we will use it for today's trade. Okay, it's a very simple method, and it can actually help you to take very good trades. So now just look at this particular candle. Okay, so on 1st of April we had this one big candle. Okay, after that there were hardly any candles which actually came up to this level. But if you look at this candle, okay, so we will just do this analysis with a better view. Okay, so we had this candle, right, which was having highest volume. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, if at all the candle high is broken on any particular time of the day, today, which is 5th of April, we had this particular candle, right? And on 6th of April, if I can get any time this particular zone, either it is touched on the downside and it has come down, that opportunity I will take. Okay, at this particular level I will watch out for the price action. If at all it gets into this zone, definitely it will be sideways. It will spend some time here, because the maximum volume has been traded yesterday at this particular point. Okay, either selling or buying. And then if at all it gives a breakout here, according to the price action, we can take a trade, right? So breakouts and breakdowns, okay, that is what we will see. Now in this scenario, if you see, the volume has played a very big role here. Once that selling has come on 6th of April, the price has remained at the down only. Okay, so now this zone has become an important zone for me. Okay, and now look at what is happening. Every time the price is going near to this particular price, okay, this has become a zone for me, which has become very powerful zone. Okay, so every time the price goes around this level, is getting shorted. Okay, so we will see the another example probably where we have we have got some opportunity to trade in this scenario, or next day we had some opportunities. Okay, the trading is basically, we have to wait for the right opportunities, guys. Okay, and that is where we play a very important role. Okay, now look at this days, friends. Look at full day, the volume is around this level only. Okay, and then we get this candle which had a maximum volume of this day, right? Now look at this candle. Okay, so this candle high low we are taking. Okay, and look at this candle, friends. So what has happened on this candle? Okay, nobody is going to explain you these things in your real life. Okay, so now look at this. Okay, so this day anyways we are not trading, we are checking the earlier days candle. Okay, look at how price has, so every time on a bank nifty, if you are getting like 462 to 669, 200 points every time it is coming to this level, you can trade, right? isn't that easy for us to trade? Okay, and when we had opportunity at say probably whenever the price has breached this level. Now look at this. Okay, this important level, whatever we had, this has been breached at this level, right? So price every time it was coming to this level and it was jumping. Okay, every time it is coming, whenever it is giving a bounce back, we are entering. Okay, so this zone we did not have any trade. Okay, if at all it is coming inside the zone, we will not trade. Whenever it goes out of this particular place, we can trade. And then you see this zone itself. Okay, this zone itself has become your resistance now. Okay, so it is very simple, friends. Okay, you look at till here almost. Okay, price never ever went out of the zone. Okay, now you would say this particular zone, but look at this candle formation, friends. So this is how the analysis can be done on the certain stocks. Okay, and certain bank nifty or nifty kind of trades also, because whenever there is a high volume getting traded, definitely there is some kind of institution participation is there, and those levels becomes your important levels. Okay, so probably you see every time it is shorting, every time it is, and you can make out whether it is a negative opportunity or a positive opportunity. Okay, so that is how you would generally try to figure it out, whether it is a buying market or selling market. What is the what is the kind of sentiment which is running in the market. Okay, this is just to try and make a simple analysis. Okay, this is not at all 100% analysis. This is not including fundamentals. This is not including other option chain data, but just to kind of basically try and find out the technical analysis, the support and resistance areas, and make use of those trades for your daily trading. Okay, so that's what it is on this. Okay, if you want, I can take another stop. Okay, whenever you come back, probably with any support thing or any questions, probably I can help you out. But just like probably we can take Reliance. Okay, now Reliance on this day probably at 9:15. Okay, so this is 9:15 candle. Okay, full day there is hardly any volume actually, but if you look at it, this candle had a maximum volume. Okay, so every time this candle there is a breakout which is coming in. If you see this candle, okay, the first candle itself. Okay, now look at this candle. Okay, when the price has come to this level, it has given a nice breakout. Okay, it has given you decent money in case if you are trading on this particular day, right? So next day when the trade came, okay, the price is opened around this particular level. It has the second third candle, it has not sustained, it has come down. But your levels, if you look at it, it is not broken yet. Okay, and then this candle goes up. Okay, and then it gives you a breakout, so which is a decent amount of money probably it has given you. Okay, ideal scenario, the stop loss should be below this area. Okay, ideal scenario. However, depending on the earlier day support and resistance, like if you are seeing this particular part, okay, this was acted as a resistance earlier, then it acted as a support somewhere, resistance here. So probably this area we can consider as a stop loss area somewhere. Okay, so that also we can do. Okay, once this area is broken, look at what is the sentiment. Okay, when the price has broken this area, look at what has happened. Okay, and this is how the price has gone down. So every time it has come to this area, you had a shorting opportunity. That's how we can find out certain opportunities in few of the stocks or nifty, bank nifty, and we only play with those areas which can give you enough and more money in a trading. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you will be able to use this particular thing in your trading mechanism. You can add this as a support and resistance line somewhere, which will help you to do volume analysis as well as with other price action things. So that's it, guys. Do like and share this video with your friends. Do subscribe to our channel. I keep on coming with the new thoughts, new ideas, which is very easy and simple. I would like to get into the advanced training programs, but uh, I need confirmations from the people how many would be interested, so that then I can go ahead with that thing. So thank you guys. Have a lovely holiday. So we will catch up on Telegram tomorrow. Thanks, guys.